Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing another Scratch tutorial on how to create another creative game called Flying Multiplayer. It's pretty straightforward, just flying. It's just basically flying. I'll show you. So this is the start. Like this is the thing that we just added. Um, or we don't really have to do that. Okay, so you can press the up arrow to fly like this. Use right and left keys to move like this, and then go down back to where you came from. Go up, and you can go down. Same for this pink, but instead it's like U, D, L, and R. So we do that, and L and R. It's pretty simple. So what we're gonna do is that we're going to what is this? Whatever. We're gonna go to a new project. Okay. Since we're gonna delete a scratch cat and name this flying multi, or you can just do locus. It doesn't really matter. Multiplayer. Flying multiplayer. Now I have all this stuff in my backpack already. I'm gonna drag this out. Player 2 and player 1. And we need a grass. Okay. So first we have to delete all the code for this. Delete all the code for all these, this and everything. Okay, perfect. So we're gonna start the code for player 1 first. So first off, what we're gonna do is that we're gonna make variables, which we already have over here. We can delete my variable and these right velocity, left velocity, gliding velocity, and flying velocity. Make sure all of them are not checked because that'd be a little weird. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna do when green flag clicked. We're gonna go to sensing. What is your gender? What is your gender? Boy or girl? Okay. And then we're gonna go to an if then. Go to an equals. And then if the answer equals boy, then switch costume. Because we have our costumes, the boy and the girl. So we're going to switch costume to boy. And then we're going to go to another if then. And same thing, but instead for a girl in this area. So, and then if the answer equals girl, then switch costume to girl. There, perfect. And after we do all that, we are going to say hello. We're gonna say the answer for 2 seconds is enough. Okay. So we're done with this code. Now let's test it out. Gender, boy or girl? Boy. But it has to ask again. So that's the tough part. This has to repeat 2 times. So Okay, it's not repeating. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. Okay. Okay, forget about that. It doesn't really matter. Um, okay. We have that set. You really don't have to do this part. It's just kind of like a thing I added, because why not? Okay, now on to the actual code. So we already have our variables over here. So we're gonna start like when the up arrow key is pressed. So when up arrow key is pressed, we're going to set flying velocity to 2.6. Okay, guys? And then we're going to repeat this about 55 times. We're going to repeat this 55 times. Oh boy. Yes, change Y. And we're going to go to a plus. Change Y by flying velocity plus the flying velocity. So 2.6 plus 2.6. Okay, let's test it out. Okay, we don't need that. Perfect! But the thing is, we need to start to a position. We can start over here. So we can go to X. There. Then we can start off in this position. So, okay. Now for the down arrow. So when down arrow key pressed, and set gliding velocity to negative 2.6. So the negative 2.6. Okay. Okay. And same thing, repeat 55 times. Oh, I'm in Discord. Okay. Change Y by add this again. Gliding velocity plus gliding velocity. So negative 2.6 plus negative 2.6. Let's test out our code. Okay, remember you do not press the green flag in case we don't want this part. So, okay, so that worked. And boom, that worked. So now we have our character to go up and down. Pretty smart. So we're gonna do for like the left and right keys. So when right arrow key pressed, we're gonna set right velocity to about 10. I don't know. And we're gonna go over here, move right velocity steps. Let's test it out. Perfect. Never that. Okay. So we're starting off in a position now. So now for the complete opposite. When left arrow key pressed, set left velocity to negative 10 and move that many steps. Perfect. So we have all that. So we have all that set now. So, okay. We're done with the player one code. Now all we have to do is just do the exact same thing. We have to add all of this code onto here. And then we just have to change it up to like the different keys. Okay. Okay, we have all that, but we're gonna name this to R L. Pretty much like L. U. U is for up, and D for down. Okay. Now all we have to do is just make another sprite, but we're gonna paint it. But we have to color up our sky. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to paint. You need to set so this sort of bluish. Be pretty bright, alright. So all we have to do is just close this off. You can color any way you want. I really don't care. I'm just being a little creative here, you know? I'm just scribbling, trying to make it nice. Okay. Okay. Our code. See how it looks. Okay, is he even? What happened? What just happened? There you go. See? Pretty simple. Oh, I don't know this is an actual sprite. Oh no, I think I made a mistake. Oh, I think I know what I did. I know what I did. And then I know how to solve this. Yes. Backdrop. You're supposed to make a backdrop. Yes. I finally figured out what I did there. So I actually did the sprite into the backdrop. Just keep on coloring blue. You don't really have to do this, but if you want, you can do it. There's really no shame. Why does it always do that? Okay, just end. Let me type. No. Please wait. Okay. There we go. There's their backdrop. Okay. So we are now technically done. Let's test our thing. So I'm a boy, girl. What the hell? Anyway, what happened here exactly? Oh, same code. Okay. Your girl can start over here. So okay, perfect. So we can just save this now. So we have boy and then girl. Oh brother. I actually chose the girl. Okay, let me try this again. Girl and boy. There we go. Now we got this, and now we can fly. I believe I can fly. It's too good, Rose. So you can do this like any way you want and stuff. And you can also do this. You can go up even more by just boom. Okay. Okay. You could just fly now. Just fly like a normal guy. There we go. Alright everybody, I really hope you enjoyed this video and it really helped you, and if you did, make sure to type up in the comments what the next game or animation you want me to create as a tutorial, and I'll make that for you. Alright guys, make sure you subscribe and like all my videos, and make sure to give a huge thumbs up and click that bell for more notifications. See you in the next video.